This market is huge. We are the snowball rolling slowly down the hill, picking up more and more customers as we roll. We have opportunities developing now that are financially significant. To fulfill these financial requirements really makes a big difference in the way I make decisions. Without that, it would be a struggle, and there would frankly just be some things we would have to say no to. But that's not in our nature, and we know the product has really serious potential and industry wants it. CakeBoxx as a startup company had a great innovation idea and concept, but bringing a concept to market requires a lot of dedication, a lot of hard work, and really strong, capable employees, colleagues, and partners.
One of our major clients is Boeing. Another example is Vestas, a proponent of wind energy. We just delivered the 250-ton platforms, and they had already said, hey, we need another 50, but we need 20 of them before Christmas, so we got to rush.
Once Vestas has us design the product and it has a short test period, they are ready to go full scale. While that's a great opportunity for us, for small companies, there's a lot of pressure on once you get the large order, how are you going to fund it? The funding of the production side is the crux of survival.
CakeBoxx Technologies is a small veteran-owned business. We don't have this infinite capital. When a customer comes back after the first article is built, and they're like, hey, we really like what you built. We want about, in the case of Vestas, we wanted 44 of these platforms who are relatively expensive. That would be okay if that was the only project. But concurrently, we may be working for Boeing, so you're kind of stuck in a bind in terms of the flexibility or the cash flow that allows you to say, okay, no problem, we can do it. So that's where Klear has been really just an incredible partner to enable us to take on other customers that will ask for that scalability and be able to say, okay, we need 20, and then to be able to take on other projects that will require another down payment.
Being able to fund the larger orders, which really develops the confidence from your customer, is what gives us the growth vector that we need.
One great thing about Klear is we're moving in a direction where everything is going to be managed into this one nice, cohesive tool. So this has helped to be a little more able to breathe, to be able to think strategically.
What Klear has done for us to give us the ability to react, to give us the flexibility and the maneuvering options. Otherwise, we would be limited to conventional financing platforms that are not really business friendly to small companies.
They're so light years ahead of the concept that they built in terms of helping that small business and really not only giving them the capital, but at every junction to be able to be a full partner.
I applaud Klear for their initiative. Make it available, friendly to use, interactive, and totally supportive on a daily basis to us and to my team.